In this video, what I want to talk about a little bit is the importance of working your ass off, grinding. As you guys can see, I don't know when I'm going to edit or post this video, but it's late and I'm up here editing this video, and there's really no excuse for not being successful. If you're broke, if you're struggling in life, you got to get off your lazy ass and you got to put in the work and you got to grind. There's no excuse. Like right now, if you're broke, you need to get a job, second job. If you are in debt or you're trying to save up money to start a business, whatever you're trying to do, there's 168 hours in a week, right? You work 40 hours a week in your 9 to 5. You sleep, about 30 to 30, 28 to 32 hours. And you got to think about how much more hours that you have in a week and how much you can maximize your time to be effective and accomplish the things you want to accomplish. My day consists of, I get up at 4:30 to get to the gym by 5, work out till 6, go home, shower, take my son to the bus stop by 7. I get to my office by 8:30. I grind out till about 4, get back, take my son to karate. I do martial arts. And then for the rest of the day, I'm grinding and focusing on my mission and my purpose and wealth of fitness lifestyle and building my brand and legacy. And that's the dedication. A lot of you guys are struggling. You're complaining. You're fat. You're overweight. You're broke. But you're just really not willing to put in the work and sacrifice. And there's so many opportunities and resources out here. I don't give a fuck about you having to work 2 or 3 or 4 jobs. It's time to get paid. It's time to make some money, ladies and gentlemen. You got to get out there and make some fucking money. Like literally, like make some money. Like I love making money now. Like I feel like building this brand has given me opportunity to have products to sell. And I'm always, what I'm doing right now is I'm evolving my brand, my channel, and really trying to, captivate, subscribers out there who really are looking for some information that can help them improve their lifestyle. I stay studying the YouTube algorithm. I stay trying to look at, other opportunities to, increase my awareness, increase my brand, and market myself. And I'm learning, and as I learn, I grow. And listen, my first book, I'm getting a lot of good reviews. Actually, let me show you guys some of the reviews that I'm getting, on Amazon. Some good reviews that's, coming up. I don't know if you guys can see that here. We had a couple of people. And this right here, guys, my last video, I said you have to have big goals, right? And one of my goals is that not only that I was going to write a book, that I was going to write 3 books. And I was going to publish 3 books within a year and a half. And I'm already about to publish book number 2, right? And I'm editing it right now. The editing company sent me the final edits. And, oh wait, there's more reviews. They sent me the final edits, and yo, man, it's crazy. Like, then I'm gonna get the book. They're gonna show me the book cover, and I should be on target for April 1st. Here's someone that says, a straightforward guide to obtaining your best financial and physical self. I mean, look at this. Look at what I created to help solve a problem and support other people. And that's what business is all about. It's about using your niche, using your gift that your creator gave you to solve a problem that you could offer value to other people. It's not about making the money, it's about what you offer to other people. But you do that by putting in the fucking work and putting in the grind, man. Putting in the grind. Am I the best writer? Oh, there's some more reviews right there. Am I the best writer? Look at that. This was a dream, guys, 2 years ago. And look at this, author. I'm an author. Curtis Miller does a great job of showcasing moments from his own life, beginning with his upbringing in Brooklyn, Bed-Stuy, baby, New York, that illustrates how the points he makes work for him and by extension can work for others. The link between financial fitness and physical fitness is really interesting and really drove home to me that prioritizing our own goals and motivation is healthy first step towards making it happen. He gives these kind of lessons that you will hear from a trusted adult figure in your life. This makes me feel so admirable and so good that my book was able to have such an impact on other people. And that was me putting in the fucking work, grinding every night, writing 2 hours a day, 60 days straight, and really putting in the work, man. And that's what it's going to take. You have 168 hours in a week. What are you going to do with that hours? Are you going to waste time? Are you going to go for your fucking ass and make some money? I don't give a damn if you got to work your 9 to 5. I don't care if you make 6. I don't care what you're doing. Do Uber. Do Uber Eats. Do Lyft. Get a third job. Mop fucking floors. Make fucking money. That's the key right there. Make money. I'm up at night and I got to get up. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I gotta get up at 4:30. I hit the gym, be ready by my office. You know, I manage a staff of 7 people, and get ready to do that and focus on how I'm gonna, you know, put myself and put this brand in the best position going forward to help other people and resolve issues. Look, listen, if you guys want a signed copy of the book, Wealth and Fitness: The Keys to Self-Improvement, hit me up, let me know. I'll sign the book, I'll mail it directly to you. You can Zelle, Cash at me, as opposed to going to Amazon, baby, so I can sign it and you get my wet signature. I'm so happy about this success. But real quick, just 5 things I want to review with you that's going to allow you the opportunity to get your money up, get your mind. First thing foremost is your mindset. You got to shift your mindset. You got to focus on shifting that mindset, man. Your way you thinking about life right now, you've been sold a bag of goods. You've been hoodwinked. You got to shift your mindset. That's the first thing. The second thing is you got to get your ass in the fucking gym, man, and work out. Yo, you got to be physically fit to defend yourself, defend your family, and you got to be ready for whatever life throw at you, but you got to be physically strong. That's number 2. Number 3, get your money up. Get 2, get 3 jobs. Grind out, man. Grind out and hustle. Like, that's what it's all about. You know? Number 3, figure out a way that you can resolve a problem. Utilize your gift, your talents, and what you're good at. Everything somebody tells you that you're good at, utilize that to figure out how you can monetize that and resolve a problem that you can, you know, eventually turn into a business that you can be able to monetize, right? And so that's number 4. And the last thing is, man, you got to be humble, man. You got to be humble, and you got to have gratitude. Gratitude is what's going to propel you and appreciate everything that life got thrown at you. Let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle. Thank you, everybody, for your support. Thank you, everybody who's helped out and really been watching my content and giving me ideas to promote my brand, Wealth and Fitness. If you want your signed copy, hit me, leave a comment in the description. We'll connect, and I'll sign a copy. I'll mail it directly to you, to your address. Thank you, guys.